So today we're going to melt chocolate the easy way. You need a bowl that will not melt, a saucepan, a wooden spoon, and of course the chocolate you wish to melt. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to fill your saucepan about a third of the way up with water. You're going to stick this on the hob, turn the temperature up, and then get the bowl that will not melt. This is essential. Break up your chocolate into tiny pieces, as small as you can go. Once we've done this, we're going to put this bowl on top of the saucepan, just like this. The steam rising from the boiling water below is going to heat up that bowl and it's going to melt the chocolate just like this. Use your wooden spoon once every 20-30 seconds just to push around the chocolate a bit. Make sure you get all of it melted. And there we have it. Perfectly melted chocolate. Easy, no problem.